Okay, so today we're looking at this Fellows Laminator. We've had this for a few years. I don't use it very often, but it comes in really handy when you do need it. So we've turned it on, it's warming up. Now we just take the sheet we want to laminate and we just throw it in on these lamination sheets. You just fold it right over and then you just feed it through the laminator like this.
You have to wait until it's warm enough.
Oh, it's not warm enough. Hold on. Okay.
All right, so then it beeps and it tells you it's ready to go.
Took about 3 or 4 minutes to heat up.
It does take a bit to heat up. And then you just have your sheet in here. If you put it like this, it can crinkle your stuff. So make sure you're putting it in nice and straight with a little bit of room on both sides. And then it just goes in nice and slow. This has the pouch. Sometimes thicker laminating sheets I'll put in without the pouch if I want it to get really nice and hot. But this was only 3 mil, and you definitely want a pouch for that or it will melt it.
Oh, it's so exciting. Here comes out the back. Okay.
So then it comes out, and then I like to just put it on a flat surface and rub it until it cools down a bit, and that's just so that it hardens flat instead of kind of curved. But there you go. You can see, yep, you can just see how it put a nice edge along it.
Cool.
Now it's all laminated.